Welcome to the deep dive. We're jumping straight into the crypto world today. Things move fast there, and, well, you can almost feel the buzz right now, can't you? A lot of anticipation. Our focus today is the brand new crypto outlook from Vantage Plus. It just came out July 21st, 2025. We're going to pull out the key insights for you, from the big market picture right down to, the specific tokens. The goal, to give you a really clear, quick understanding of what Vantage Plus sees happening right now, straight from their analysis. Okay. Let's get into it. The report kicks off with a pretty big statement. The bull run has started. That's optimistic.
It is optimistic, and they back it up mainly by looking at the sheer amount of money flowing in. We're talking 12 consecutive days of inflows into those spot Bitcoin ETFs.
12 days, wow.
Yeah, adding up to USD 6.6 billion. That's
Right.
huge.
6.6 billion.
And get this, BlackRock's Bitcoin Trust pulled in nearly $500 million on one Friday.
Just one day.
Just one day. It really shows that institutions are getting serious, driving this momentum. It's not just retail anymore.
Okay, huge inflows. But it's never that simple, is it? The report mentions potential headwinds from the U.S. new Senate bills.
Right, regulation, that's always the question mark, isn't it? How will it shape things? They specifically mention the Genius Act. It's aimed at making stablecoins legitimate settlement tools.
Okay, the Genius Act. What's the report's take on the impact? Positive? Negative?
Well, it could be both. It might bring in more stability, more legitimacy, which could attract even more institutional money. But it also means more rules, potentially changing the sort of freewheeling nature of parts of crypto. We're just relaying what the source says here, not taking a side on the policy itself.
Got it. So opportunity and maybe some constraints. Let's zoom in on the technicals then. Bitcoin first. Trading around, what, USD 118,495 after that big breakout a couple of weeks back. What's the chart saying now? Sideways.
Seems like it, yeah. The report suggests it broke out, retested that crucial USD 120,000 psychological level, but then fell back below it. So the analysis points to maybe staying capped around current levels for a bit, could even dip slightly lower before making another push towards, say, USD 130,000.
Okay, a pause before the next leg up, potentially.
Potentially. The overall outlook is still positive. The key thing to watch, though, is USD 110,000.
Right.
If it breaks below that.
Then the positive outlook gets shaky.
Exactly. That's the critical support level mentioned in the report.
All right, what about Ethereum? ETH is at USD 3,762. Did it follow Bitcoin's lead last week?
It did, yeah. ETH pushed higher along with Bitcoin, and the monthly chart still looks bullish, according to the report. It's holding above its 50-moving average, which is, generally a good sign.
Right.
A break above USD 3,800 could really spark some fresh buying that could potentially lift it towards USD 4,800.
4,800.
And maybe even higher if that momentum continues. Significant potential there.
Now, this next one sounds interesting. Ripple, XRP, trading at USD 3.55. The report calls its move most remarkable.
Yeah, it really stood out. It actually broke its previous all-time high, which is around USD 3.40.
Oh, the all-time high. That's big for XRP.
It's huge. And it moved towards the USD 4.00 zone. The analysis uses Fibonacci extensions.
Ah, the fib levels.
Right. And those point towards maybe USD 4.500 as a potential target based on the previous move.
Okay, 4.50. But what's really unique here?
The report highlights that XRP has been making these strong moves without major news driving it. No big partnership announcements, no legal breakthroughs necessarily.
Huh. Just momentum.
Seems like it, and the report suggests that might continue. It does raise the question, can that kind of momentum sustain itself without external news? It's unusual.
Definitely want to watch them. Okay, lastly, Solana. SOL at USD 182.80. The report says it's lagging strong momentum.
Yeah, compared to the others, it hasn't had that decisive breakout yet. It's moved up, sure, but it's lagging.
So what needs to happen for Solana?
According to the analysis, it needs to break above USD 200.00. That's the trigger for stronger upside.
And if it does...
then prices might move pretty quickly towards USD 300.00, kind of a catch-up move.
But there's a downside risk, too.
Oh, yeah. If it breaks below its 50-moving average, which is around USD 157.69 right now, then the report suggests it could fall back towards the USD 120.00 range.
Okay, so clear levels to watch for SOL, 200 on the upside, around 158 on the downside.
Exactly. A real fork in the road for Solana at the moment.
So let's wrap this up. We've got this overall bullish feeling fueled by those big ETF inflows.
Definitely. That's the main narrative.
But when you drill down, each major coin has its own story, right? Bitcoin consolidating, ETH looking strong if it breaks resistance, XRP's surprising newsless rally.
And Solana waiting for its cue. Plus, you've got those regulatory clouds like the Genius Act hanging in the background.
So connecting the dots for you, our listener,
Hmm.
it really highlights why you need to look past just the headlines, doesn't it?
Absolutely. That bull run headline is strong, but the details matter. The specific levels, the individual token dynamics, the external factors. That's where the real understanding comes from.
Right. It helps manage expectations. So here's something for you to think about. Beyond that bull run idea, what specific signal will you be watching? Will it be Bitcoin holding that 110K level, Solana breaking 200, maybe how XRP performs without news, or perhaps tracking developments around that Genius Act? What's your key indicator in the weeks ahead?